Hello guys. So with the help of ChatGPT, we will try to create accessibility test cases. Okay, I will take new chat. Just type here accessibility using test cases generation for a button. I am taking for a button. There is for a button in tabular format for a button. So just I'm picking the test cases only for the button. Okay. See button have accessible name. Inspect the button element. Array label by text with indentation. The button is descriptive name visible. The button is focusable. Yes, the button can be activated using keyboard. One is focusable keyboard, sufficient color contrast. Now button state is conveyed to screen readers. Button is awesome. Yeah, so I'm verifying because I'm having a little bit experience in accessibility. Yeah, this is giving correct. Very good. I hope this is very helpful session, guys.